In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cell references in Smartsheet formulas. Understanding how to do this effectively can make your data analysis and management much more efficient, akin to the functionality many of you might already be familiar with in Excel. Let's dive right into it. When you're working in Smartsheet and need to ensure that certain parts of your cell references remain static, you'll use what's called absolute references. Absolute references are essential when you're looking to copy formulas across multiple rows or columns, but want specific references to stay constant. This is particularly useful if you have a formula that should always refer back to the same spot, no matter where it's copied. Just like in Excel, Smartsheet uses the $ basar to denote absolute references. And there are a few different ways you can use it to customize which part of your reference remains fixed. The first possibility is to lock the column while leaving the row flexible. To do this, you simply use the format column name. By placing the $ before the column name, Smartsheet understands that the column should remain unchanged if the formula is dragged across rows. Next, let's talk about locking the row only and allowing the column to change. This is equally straightforward. You would format it like column name 1. In this case, the $ before the row number signifies that the row reference will stay the same when you drag the formula sideways across columns. Lastly, you might find situations where it's advantageous to lock both the column and the row. This is incredibly useful in scenarios where you need the formula to always point to a specific cell, no matter where you place it in your sheet. To achieve this, type column name $1. The $ before both the column and row ensure that neither part of the reference will change, no matter the direction in which you move or copy the formula. It's really that simple. Using these techniques can save you a lot of time and prevent errors in your calculations, especially in large, complex sheets. Whenever you're entering or editing a formula in Smartsheet, just keep in mind which elements you need to fix and use the $ to lock them accordingly. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, mastering these absolute references can elevate your Smartsheet skills and streamline your workflow. I hope this explanation has clarified how you can effectively lock cell references in your Smartsheet formulas. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tricks. Remember, a little practice goes a long way in becoming proficient at managing your sheets with ease. Until next time, happy sheet managing.